Hey High Desert neighbors, this is Stormwater Trooper Marty here to walk you through another at-home do-it-yourself activity. Today we're going to be using any lidded containers you have laying around to make a kitchen compost bin. The compost bin not only helps keep our watersheds clean by keeping waste out, it also uses plant-based kitchen scraps like orange peels, potato peelings, eggshells, even old bread as a fantastic source of nitrogen to use in your garden. So let's get started. This do-it-yourself requires the use of scissors, so make sure you ask your parents for help and permission. You'll also need nylon mesh, glue. Use this kind of glue instead of a glue stick, it sticks better. Dirt. Make sure it's not sand or gravel if you got it in your yard. Organic material, aka your compostable kitchen scraps. Shredded newspaper, the finer the better, so it gets tearing. And our container. Make sure it's large enough to accommodate for a good amount of kitchen scraps. Mine is about 4 liters, but feel free to go larger if you need it. Ask your parents to make 4 evenly sized holes on your lid for ventilation. We'll be doing this off screen since my mom's a bit camera shy. Next, with your parents' supervision or help, cut and use a piece of nylon screen long enough to cover all of the air holes. Make sure the mesh is made entirely of nylon for proper aeration. Use your glue to hold the screen to the bottom of the lid, like so. This will keep bugs from getting in or out of our compost bin. Make sure it sticks. Air is a crucial component to help the materials in your bin break down, so please don't skip this part. Next, put dirt on the bottom of your container. Move the soil around so the bottom is completely covered. The shredded newspaper then goes on top. Remember, make sure the newspaper pieces are shredded and not clumps of paper. Add broken down kitchen scraps like orange peels, old bread, and eggshells, and keep adding these every time you cook a meal to maintain the health of your compost bin. Make sure you seal it back up securely so no bugs can get in your mixture. Once a week, every week, you're also going to want to stir your compost bin to aerate the mixture. When it's full, use it as mulch. Thanks for your time, Stormwater Troopers, and thanks for composting with us to help keep a pollution-free Mojave. See you next time.